Hi guys, in this video I want to create a nice video like this with 15 seconds audio and add this image to create this nice 15 image with
To my channel. Here you'll find quick, powerful content.
Okay, 15 seconds.
Subscribe and level up your...
Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, open the Camp UI, run it. Okay, let's add this workflow. Can drag it like this. Okay, when you add this workflow is has missing nodes, this float and the audio core. Crop. Okay, close that. And how to add this? You have to go to manager, install missing custom nodes, install both of them, and the problem is fixed. So select. Okay, this message can be logic, current level of security only. Default channel can be install this one. We must restart. Now it's installing, it's downloading the requirements and installing that. Okay, it's finished. Now let's confirm that. And as you can see, the page is refreshed automatically. Refreshed another time. Okay. To use this model, we have to install those files. Diffusion model, LTX-2 would have GGUF keyboard. Okay, how to install those models? Okay, it's simple to use. Must click right there and download. After that, the downloading is begin right here. Okay, fine. Downloading. I already download those files. This first one. Okay, let's see one by one. We have to go here, Camp UI. Model is okay. The first one, diffusion model. This is the place of our model. Where is diffusion models? Okay, this one. This thing is LoRa. I have to download. Downloading is starting. For me, I already download placed in the LoRa's. Okay, as you can see, they have to go here to models. This is my LoRa. Gemma 3 2 billion. Go here, download it. For me, I already downloaded and place here this text encoder in clip. Let's see. Click. Okay, it already exists right here. Okay, those version LTX-2 embedding connector placed in clip. It's existed. Can download it and place it here in this folder. Audio and video VAE. We have to place those files. Not only one file. We have 4 files. Download both of them and place right here in the VAE. As you can see, I placed those files here. After that, we have the special upscaler. Okay, we have to place it in latent upscale models. You must download this file and let's see where is this latent upscale models. Okay, this one. Okay, I already placed here. Now the final one is tiny VAE for previous. You must place this file in the VIE prox. Okay, this one. Okay, fine. After that, we have to refresh the page like this. And the first step is finished. Now, after that, let's move to the second step. After downloading those models and add it in those places, we have to go right here and make verification by selecting this file. As you can see, we have 3 files. We have to add the LTX-2 12GB 19 billion right hit. Okay, fine. Zamba 3. Where is Zamba 3? This connector. Okay, fine. Laura. Fine. And this one is fine. Second step is done. Now we have to load our image in this place and add it right here. The length of this video is 361 frames. Let's see the calculator. Okay, 361 divided by 24. Okay, it's 15 seconds, the length of this video, around 15 seconds. The width of the image is, as you can see, let's make, if you have 12 gigabytes of RAM or less, make it like us. If you have, you want to make a portrait like us. Okay, 15 seconds. We have to upload your audio right test. Okay, let's add our image and let's add our audio. Okay, let's add our image like this. Okay, you can choose file to upload. Okay, go to desktop. This my image is YouTuber. For the prompt I want to use. Okay, let's go here to desktop. Okay, this one. I want to use this anime style. For the lip signing, not this. I want just a video like as you can see. Okay, let's remove this and copy all of those. Paste in the prompt. After that, we have to add our audio here. Okay, this is my audio.
Welcome to my channel. Here you'll find quick, powerful content about...
This is my audio, as you can see. And now, let's hit run. The work is begin.
Welcome to my channel. Here you'll find quick, powerful content about gaming, AI tools, Unreal Engine, and tech tutorials, all designed to help you learn fast and create smarter. Subscribe and level up your skills in just minutes. Welcome.
As you can see, this is my video. Using this AI is good to create this nice video. I add image, as you can see, and audio, and this is the result. Thank you guys for watching. This is all for this tutorial.